Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This is Shambhavi Rajagopal saying all the way from Dubai. A big hello to all my buddies who are watching from everywhere. Special hello to the Bangalore buddies who are going to join us very soon on the screen. And thank you, Srini. I saw your message there saying hello to us. Thank you. I'd requested you specially to join us, and I hope you'll share some story a bit later. And I'm just giving a few minutes for the live to get on as such. Save, Scrap, and Sue. It's a community of people who share their time, their efforts with each other as a team, and we have tried to contribute to the society, save our Mother Earth, and help the needy at the same time. To give a better understanding of what our work involves, I'm going to take you through a small presentation before I invite the Bangalore buddies live with us. Going to take a few minutes to share my screen here. Save, Scrap, and Sue, as I said when welcoming the Bangalore buddies today, we save the landfill by saving the scrap. Most people talk about saving glass, paper, and recycling plastic. There are very few who actually talk about the scrap. Of late, the fashion industry has actually taken it upon themselves to talk about waste. We go one level deeper where we are trying to save the scrap from the tailor and from any of these fashion boutiques. We started in 2015 September in Dubai, and we have saved 5 tons, more than 5 tons in fact, in the last 4.5, almost 5 years now. What did we do with the scrap? We made sheets, more than 2,000, more than 4,500 bags, 4,500 plus pillows, scarves, clothes. Yes, we have actually focused on things of utility for the simple reason that it can be used by anybody. Our buddies, there is no gender bias, age 3 to 86, and creating awareness is one of our objectives. Gifting every scrap we save is our main objective. So there is no selling happening on Save, Scrap, and Sue. Where have we gifted? To Red Crescent in UAE and across India and other places, to children's homes, senior citizen homes, slums. It's all there, and especially the pillows we've given to construction workers. Our first introduction to the media was in 2017 in the Hindu Metropolis. Shubha Rao, a person who was working with Hindu, she actually did an article. Like I said, we make things of utility. Now, these are things which have been made by the Bangalore buddies. And if you see, we do not add any buttons or any zips because we work with what we get from the tailor. Why am I repeating the tailor again and again? The simple reason is we do not use our own personal scrap. There is no second-hand scrap which is used. The tailor, once he has finished stitching the cloth, throws away the material into the garbage. From there, it goes to the landfill, gets polluted with every other thing in the landfill, and cannot be used. It just has to be burnt, incinerated, that's all. Whereas we take that scrap from the tailor who has no ownership of the scrap. And that is also a reason why we don't sell, because we are also not owners of that. We put our time, our efforts into it, and create sheets, bags, and pillows, things of utility which can be used by anybody. Ironing, sorting, cutting, labeling, and sewing. So if people think that they just have to stitch, that is a very wrong notion. Anybody can contribute in these various activities that we have. As I mentioned, age is no barrier. There is always a task for every person who is online, on board. This is the opportunity for me to invite my wonderful buddy from Bangalore, Usha, who's also been the main reason how and why the Bangalore Buddies are functioning with her help. And she's going to talk about this in her own words. Welcome, Usha. Thank you so much for finding the time. I know as a teacher and with the system, with the sessions going on, it is very tough. Thank you for finding the time for this. Give me a small little bit of our introduction to our audience who have joined us just now about how you became associated with Save Scrap and Sew.
Hi everyone, this is Usha from Bangalore, Save Scrap and Sew, Bangalore branch, I can call it.
Yeah, thank you. Little louder, Usha, just a little louder, please.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you loudly. Thank you.
I know Geeta Di before Save Scrap and Sew.
Thank you. That's me. Okay.
And so I happened to see the feature in the Hindu. That was how I noticed it. I read the feature, and the picture of you, Di, was, I just screamed out your name when I saw that. Then I wanted to make sure, and I got in touch with the mail ID, and I got in touch with Sita, and that's how I ventured into it. I was completely startled at the new kind of what do I say, social responsibility taken up, that we don't allow even tailors to make use of the landfills. That was something new, very unique, and that unique idea lured me towards taking this up. There are quite a few friends of mine who live in my apartment who are very good designers by themselves, and who actually find some time to for some good work. And they've been telling me this whenever we meet up for some festivals or some get together. So I brought up this idea 2019 January to them. I spoke to them about it. Again, it was a small group, about 6 to 7 of us. I spoke to them, and all 7 of them pounced on that idea. And we went ahead, and they said we should not. I kept saying that, okay, we'll start maybe in April. And they told me that, no, it's a good work, and no good work will have any auspicious day. You just jump into it and we'll start work. So we started off in February, and there's no looking back after that. And the amount of work that we have done, although sometimes it was slow, sometimes it used to speed up, but they have individually contributed. All the team members from Bangalore have individually been doing work if they were not able to sit together and do it. Right now in the lockdown period also, work is going on. There is a lull, but then individually they're doing it.
Great. So what I'm going to do, Usha, is I'm going to share some of the pictures of the work which has been done by our Bangalore buddies. And we are hoping that some of them will join us live online here. In the meantime, I have Nisha here saying hello to us. She's a buddy from Dubai who has also helped us set up in Goregaon in Mumbai. We have Geeta Rani here saying hello to us from Mumbai, and she's a part of our Goregaon group. We have Srini here once again, saying hello to us and asking us which apartment complex. We are not telling you that on FB Live, Srini, but definitely we will take care that we mention this to you, and we will keep you updated on this later. We have Sheila again here from Dubai saying hello to us. Hello, Sheila. Okay. Let me go back to sharing quickly my screen with you on the pictures, and let us talk about, Usha, could you... Just give me a second. Yes, please.
Yeah, sure.
Technology always challenges you just when you think you know everything. Okay. Could you just give a very small brief about this picture, because we're going to talk more about this in detail more towards the end of our conversation today. Quickly, just a small
brief. Stays
on. Yes, please.
This is handing over the products that we made after November to Global Shapers Bangalore unit, who are into helping. It's a small NGO which is connected to the World Economic Forum, and they had approached me through a common friend of us, and I had given the product. They were most willing to take it up, and they were quite amazed at the work that was being done. And the
Good.
entire lot, right from November, what we made, they have taken it up to be distributed to the guest workers who are leaving from Bangalore to their hometowns.
That's so nice, and it's so heartening to know. And yes, actually, people are always amazed with the work which is done. And I believe that because this work is done out of love, that is why it always looks the best. And there is no designing. In fact, people who think that we think over how to design, what to do, there is hardly any time and opportunity, because there will never be a zero scrap day. So we will always have to continue fighting this. And we hope that one day we will reach where we save our own scrap. Let's move on now. This is what the scrap looks like before it actually becomes into something. And we have here a buddy. Usha, you're here. And
Yeah.
would you like to name the
This
buddy
is-
who's here?
Yeah,
on the other-
she is Kameshwari, and
Okay.
she helps us out sorting out as well as stitching.
Okay,
She's
so
unable
we
to
use
join
our
us
personal
today.
machine here. Whose machine is this, Usha?
This is, I mean, there are two of them who give. One is Uma's machine,
Okay,
and the other is by name Nidhi. She is also
great.
not
Thank
there.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being buddies and for sharing your resources which you have. Thank you so much for that. This is again teamwork, which shows that the sheets, the bags which have been made here. And would you like to name these buddies?
One is Bhavna on the sewing machine,
Okay.
and the other I'm not able to see clearly.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that is Vanmati. Vanmati.
Bhanumati. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Vanmati. Yeah.
At this
Yeah.
point, I would like to introduce. Yes, anybody known here? Welcome, Priya, to the session.
Hi, well, hi, this is Priya from Bangalore.
And this is a picture with you, so I'll just stop sharing the screen and bring you on more. Yeah, tell me more about. Yeah, tell me, when did your journey start? How did it start? And talk to us about Save Scrap Soon being a buddy.
Yeah, sure. And this all began when Usha came and brought this idea up in one of the gathering. So actually, she told about it, and we are all very much excited to know that these are the things happening with the scraps, and we have no idea about that these scraps can be given to the needy who are in need. So when Usha put this idea to us, so yeah, we said immediately yes, and we started working on it. And I don't have any idea of background of stitching. So actually, this when I joined in, so I do sorting of things and cutting for the pillows and stuffs. So that's how I begin, and now even I am contributing some stitching work to this. And the thing is, the end result is when we give to the needy, and the happiness we see in their face is really what matters for all the valuable work and the time we put in.
Thank you so much for that. We have here Geeta saying hello to us. She's our buddy and mentor in Thane. We have here Bhavna saying hello. Hi, Bhavna. We have Hema saying hello. Hi, Hema. We have Anita Vinesh from Dubai saying hello to us. And there's a big message from Sandhya. Would you like to just read it through quickly? Hi,
Yeah.
buddies. Today I missed to join. Next time we'll surely join. Congratulations to all of you. Hope we will all give our best to save environment and needy people. Myself, I joined with my friends and doing this almost from 1 year. I'm feeling very happy to be a part in this. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sandhya, because I know you have a busy day and I requested you to just join in for a few minutes to at least post a comment to us. So thank you very much for that. Priya, I would like to say a small bye to you now. Maybe we'll see if we can have you back on screen so that I can continue adding up. You know that we have a little bit restrictions on how many people can be on screen at one time. So thank you so very much.
Right,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you. So this was Priya here, and then we have here another picture, and let us see
Julie.
who is- sorry, this is Julie. Also, so we
Julie, yeah, Julie, yeah.
Let us bring Julie on screen here. She has been waiting for some time now, and Hello, Julie. Yeah, she's muted and video is off. Can't see her. Hello, Julie. All right, she's not here. I will get her back. Maybe she's having some problem.
I think
let me-
Vanmati is there backstage.
Okay, sorry. I just brought in Uma.
Yeah, Uma
Hi,
has
Uma.
come, I think.
Hello, Uma.
Uma, yeah, right.
Hi,
absolutely.
Uma.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hello, ma'am.
welcome.
Hi, Usha.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, everybody. Say hi to all our audience who are watching live and who will be watching us later also. So I don't know
Okay.
where your
Hello.
picture is.
Hi to everyone. Whoever
Yeah.
is watching this show, hi to everyone.
Hello, yeah, that's right. Let me just share some more pictures from your sessions here. Okay. And this was Julie, but she's not here. We'll see if she can come back later. Uma, can you, is there any picture of yours? Can you identify?
I think not in this.
Not in this. I hope I've not missed you anywhere because I tried my best with all the pictures.
Yeah,
she's-
this,
yes.
yes.
Previous
Yes,
one, previous.
yes,
And
yeah.
she's there in this also.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. She's there in this. Yes.
Yeah. Uma, isn't this you?
Yeah.
Yes,
Pink
ma'am.
one, pink dupatta.
Yes, it's me.
Pink dupatta. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah, pink
picture.
dupatta is me.
You're on the machine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. Let me stop sharing this, and I'm going to ask you to talk about your journey, please. Uma, tell us how do you feel being a buddy? Tell me that.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you feel being a buddy? Hello, Uma. Hello. I think she's
Connectivity
frozen.
problem.
Yeah. Hello, Uma.
It gives me great satisfaction. It gives me immense pleasure to be associated. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yep.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can
We
hear.
can hear you.
Yeah, it gives a great satisfaction.
All right, great. At some point, I would like you people to also tell me how your family supports you and, what do they think about your work? It is because for me, my family has always been there and they have always supported in a great way, as have friends. So I have a friend here who's saying hello. Her name is Shanti. She's my school friend. Hello, team Seva Pansu. She's in Mumbai. And I have here Roshni, who's saying missing my buddies in SSS since she moved to Bangalore. I'm hoping that she'll join you people up, or maybe she'll start her own. When we are talking about, then we have Hema saying technical difficulties. Congratulations to the entire team. That's for you as well, Hema. This is your buddy, right, Usha? This is our buddy.
Yes. Yeah.
Would you like to
Hema.
say hello to her?
And-
Something you want to say?
Yeah. Hi, Hema. Thank you so much for that message. I also saw Bhavna say hello. I think she
Yeah.
also couldn't join us. Thank you, Bhavna.
Did you? Okay, let me just search for Bhavna's message, which is, sorry, it's not visible here. Okay, we'll come back to it. Thank you so much, Uma. And Bhavna is here. Bhavna is saying hello. Yeah, I'm acknowledging it earlier on also. And we are missing Bhavna. Maybe you should wait and just see, because we have here somewhere. Yes, this was Bhavna's mother-in-law here, or mother. This is Bhavna, Usha.
Yeah, Bhavna and her mother, right? Yes. Bhavna and her mother, right.
Right.
Her
Thank
mother
you
had
so
come
much
for a
for
few
being there.
days
Please
and-
thank your mother also. I always feel so blessed when elders join our sessions, because that means that, it is a simple thing is that it's not something which we are doing new, because our elders have been doing this for a long time. Only difference is we make something and give it away to other people, whereas they would do it for within the family. That is our only difference with them. Would you agree on that, Uma? That it's not something which is new in the sense of the way the things are done. So, Uma, thank you so much for being here. I'll say bye to you now, and maybe we'll see if we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
able to bring you back to screen in a bit. And we have Vanmati.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Vanmati, if you have your FB on somewhere, come away from your FB. We can hear ourselves.
Yes, I will do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Usha, I'm just sharing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
Can you tell me where is one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
1 minute.
1 minute.
It's just-
And please, buddies, if your
Buddies, if your pictures are not good, why do you not Usha?
I think she was
I think she
there
was
with
there with
the
the
picture
picture
with
with
Anita.
Anita.
I'm sorry, Priya.
Priya.
Sorry,
Priya.
Priya.
Huh?
Huh?
No, that is no. That is
That is Bhavna and
Aruna.
Aruna.
But she was
But
there.
she was there.
I did see a picture of hers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Previous one.
Previous one. The previous
one.
No, not in this.
Not
Yeah,
here.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
The previous one.
I think.
She was there. Anyway.
Okay, so how much time is there in the Facebook? Could you just remove the tab? Or because I can hear myself.
Echo.
I'm
Yeah,
trying.
echo.
There's a lag, between Facebook and StreamYard.
So,
Okay, I'm trying that one, but I'm not able to do that one, so that's why I'm trying.
You don't need to be
you
on
don't need to be on Facebook
You
like
just
that.
need
You
to
just
be on
need to
this.
be on this.
Yeah.
So we have in the
So we
meantime,
have in the meantime, Bhavna saying,
while I'm
while I'm
stitching,
stitching,
then I have
Hema.
Oh,
Thank you.
I didn't
I
expect
didn't
that.
expect that. Thank you very much.
Sorry,
Sorry,
Vanmati,
what I do is I
stitch your system and come back.
and come back.
But I want to talk to you. And we still don't have Julie with audio and video for some reason. I think they could be having a challenge. Let me go back to my presentation, Usha, and just share that with you. So as we were going through these pictures, all this is a work which is done by the Bangalore Buddies. As you can see, our work always remains constant. It is the scrap which is new. And if you think that in 5 years, as a whole group, we've saved 5 tons, you can just imagine the kind of scrap which is generated. And very honestly, we cannot collect all the scrap because we lack storage space. We also have other chores which we have, either we are working or we have chores towards our family. So it's not something which is very easy for us. But yes, the most easiest thing which people do is give money to any cause or any need that they believe in. But we don't want anybody's money. We want them to put in their time and put in their efforts. These are some pictures, how much time, how much effort it takes. For people who want to become buddies, I will be sharing the website with you. You can send a mail through that. And every page on the website has a tab saying become a buddy. I will share that in a bit now. Become a buddy. If you click there, you can send us a mail. You can also connect through Facebook, Insta, various handles that we have. These are the pictures of us working. We have always believed in teamwork, and it is, in fact, COVID has kind of, created a gap for us as to we have to find new models of working, new models of motivating each other. Why we have always worked as a group is because when you look at the kind of scrap which is there, it is not possible for any single person to sit and work through it. And that is why we need teamwork. We cannot clear the clutter in our house. How can we think about clearing the clutter in the society? So that is the reason why we work as a group. Usha, would you like to tell me how does it happen? What do you people do? Is there a fixed time that you meet? Because the usual norms are that 2 hours once a week is what we meet, depending on what the group convenience is. Can you tell me a little bit more about how do you people meet? What do you do? What goes on behind the scenes of all these ready-made stuff which appear?
Right. Now, all of them come to my flat. All of us are neighbors, so they come to my flat, and I store all these the materials that we collect from the tailors. My work is to collect it from them and bring it, and then keep it in the required place. And the others come once a week. We work Wednesday, and they work at a stretch from say about 1:30 to 3:15 they work. And on Sundays, the days that as I'm working, I will not be there. They take the trouble of taking the key from my house, and they come sit there, lock the door, and they take it back to them, give it back to me in the evening. Sundays, I do a little bit of work myself because that's the day that I get for myself. So I sort out and do a little bit, whatever I could. I've missed out on Wednesday because of my work. I do it on Sunday. So Wednesday is the day that they meet.
I'll
we
stop
work
you
out.
at this point, Usha, to say this. I'm grateful to the forces because buddies like you have opened your homes and hearts to strangers who became friends, who became buddies. I'm
Thank
really
you.
grateful for this, and I cannot thank you enough for this. And I believe that there is some divine force which keeps us together. And that is one of the reasons why everybody is buddies. Everybody is equal. Everybody has an equal contribution. And it's really admirable the way you opened your home and heart to people. It's admirable the way people have come in and they take the responsibility of opening somebody's house, taking care of their things, going back. It's a big responsibility, which no
Yeah,
ordinary
it is.
take or would be very scared of taking. So I'm really grateful to all the buddies who work with us and to the Bangalore buddies who've taken up this extra responsibility, because usually the hostess is there in the house when the work goes on. Really grateful for that. Let me just, I'll
you.
continue my sharing of the screen, and so that we can go through the remaining pictures, Usha.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And the picture that I want to
That
highlight
was
here
Madhuri,
is,
the previous picture is, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, you wanted to say something about this?
Yeah, that was Madhuri in one of the pictures. She's not there. And there is Aruna here in this picture. She could not join us today. Hema,
Okay.
that's Hema, who had sent a
Uh-huh.
message on the chat. The
Right.
yellow dress is Hema, and the other maroon dupatta is Aruna. Both of them could not
Hi,
be
buddies.
part
I'm
of the
sorry
show
we are
today.
missing you. And I hope that next time we'll be able to find a common time where you can all join in and we can have some fun and chat. This is actually, I'm going to invite Srini to talk about this rather than me, because Srini, I think you've said kudos to all the SSS buddies. How about telling some more about, this is a foundation, a charitable foundation in Bangalore, Tranquil Charitable Foundation, TCF, and they take care of a school which is under the municipality, but they provide volunteers and they do the work for the children, providing them with other things. Though technically the education is provided by the government, they support the government in providing these. Vanmati, if you're ready to come back on screen, I can add you. Yeah. Hi, Vanmati. Yeah.
Hello,
you're
ma'am.
good. Yeah. Hi. Good. Sorry. Please share with us a little bit about your journey with SSS, Save, Scrap, and Stew.
In the beginning, like as what Usha says, no, like that it begins. After that, we all together and do how it will go on. And beginningly, I don't know any type of stitching and all. After that, only I sort it out, and then I cutting the cloths into the pieces and make them to segregate all those things. Like that, my journey starts. Then I started learning that simple stitching also. Now I am able to stitch all those things, pillows, little bit of that. Even there also, my learning is also there in that. That's what.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful how we support each other, how we learn, and it's just like it's a normal process. Because there is no restriction on this is the kind of work that you can do. We actually, the world is our play yard, and we can just do whatever we want. And slowly we skill ourselves, and that is what is about buddies, about supporting each other, about being there for each other. Let me just bring Priya also back, since we're just four of us here. Priya, before we end the session, I still want to share the screen and I want to show some of what you have been doing and the reason why we started this. Because all of you in the session which was in November, I think this is where the people had gifted something to some entity, And I would like Usha to talk about this. Usha, can you see the screen? No. Okay, sorry. I'm under the impression that everybody can see the screen. How is that? Usha, please talk about this. This is the November one, the one which is in November. I think you people had done something. Can you hear me?
Yeah, this picture here, which is given, I think, Geetadi, who's speaking now?
I'm
Did you ask
speaking.
someone
I'm-
specific to
yeah.
speak? Because the voice was,
No. Okay, all right.
voice
This
is
picture-
breaking. I'm not able to hear anything.
Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this picture? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me remove Priya and from the stream, and I'm also going to remove Vanmati from the stream.
Can't hear. I'm just putting it.
Can you hear now? Can you see now?
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
we
I can
can't-
see now, and the audio is also clear. Yeah. Yes,
Can
you wanted me to. Can't
Yes.
hear?
I want you to. Yeah, I want you to speak.
Can you
about
hear me?
this. Yes, I can. Please speak about this picture.
Yeah, yeah. This is the feature which appeared in Bangalore Mirror a few days back. And this was, we got in touch with, the reporter got in touch with us after we had given our products to the guest workers, the second lot, through Global Shapers Bangalore unit. And the journalist, the reporter had called me home, and he had congratulated me on the work, and he asked me details of what this particular group does. How is it? What kind of social responsibility message are you spreading or making people aware of, and the details of the group. So this is Bangalore Mirror
So I would like
feature
to
which
say,
came up a week back.
great. I would like to say one thing which you mentioned yourself, and I was not very aware of that, is the reporter contacted you. Honestly, that is how Say Scrap and Sue works. We don't go around touting that this is our work or this is what we're doing. But when people see us and they are interested, they are the ones who normally contact. We are grateful for the coverage we get. We are grateful for the media which talks about our work. And because the main reason why the people who read about this, they can join us or they can save their own scrap. So I'm always grateful for that. But we never try to tell people that, you know what, we are here to save the world and you should also be joining in. No, our message is always, we are doing this. If you want to be a part of it, you're welcome. If you have time now, okay. If you have time some other day, great. At least talk about it, which is more or equally important as doing the work is. So that was really a nice thing which you mentioned, Usha, that the reporter called you, and we are grateful for the coverage. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that.
Yes.
And so I'm going to now quickly take an opportunity to call everybody back and say bye to all of you. Though, okay, so now I have just a second before we go. Tranquil Charitable Foundation adopted Gujarat Government School last 10 years. Venkat introduced me to Shambhavi, 150 school bags for kids. Yes, they went crazy seeing the colorful bags. Thank you so much for that comment, Srini. And we really appreciate it. And it was a very joyful picture which you had sent us. Now we look forward to receiving the bags every year. No? And teachers, mother of school kids ask for a bag. Shambhavi said it's all love that brings about the wonderful output. It's absolutely win-win-win. Thank you so much for that comment. And it really means a lot to us because most of the time we don't know where our stuff goes. Like, for example, Usha, you have handed over the stuff to somebody, but we don't know who's the end recipient, which also brings me to when we distribute something, we give it to people who don't have any. So there is no hoarding happening. They don't have another piece to use. They only manage with what they have. So neither we hoard nor they hoard. That has always been our policy. Let me quickly just bring Priya and Vanmati on. And I would like to thank you, Vanmati, Priya, and Usha one more time. Thank you so much for being on live on Save Scrap and Sue. Thank you to all the audience who's going to watch this again. Thank you to those people who are going to share this with family. Be proud to be a buddy. I'm just going to say that in the last slides, but I'll do that alone by myself. As we started, when I started the journey, we were 5 of us and just some friends who thought that I had a crazy idea, but they believed in my craziness. And today we are more than 250, 300 buddies who are adults. We have more than 100 teenage buddies. We have universities with us who are associated. We have schools with us who are associated. I just hope that we are able to increase our awareness and reduce the landfill at the same time. This is our Mother Earth. Let us try to save it. And thank you so much for helping me in this journey. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Vanmati, and thank you, Usha. I'm not saying bye to my audience now because I'm going to just talk to them
Thank you.
about what are our takeaways.
Thank you. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, Usha.
All
One more
those who are
time for
watching.
being
Thank you so
an
much.
amazing friend of my sisters and mine. And thank you so much for being here today and spending the time. All right. Bye. Bye, Usha. I will continue now. I'm going to continue my talk with what are the takeaways here. There is always somebody whose need is more. We do not use old cloth or used cloth. We use only new cloth because there should be dignity in receiving. Neither we believe in hoarding, nor we give to anybody who's going to hoard this. It's all about teamwork. We respect the environment. We respect the buddies. The word buddies, in fact, means that everybody is equal. So we treat each other as equals. And we believe that the cause is bigger than all of us always. Earth is our asset. We want to leave less footprints. One of the other things which is very important in SafeScrap is take decisions. You have this scrap, what to do with it? Okay, make it into a sheet, put it into a bag, do something. Don't just put it into the bag to take a decision some other day. So we learn to take some quick decisions. And doing something is better than doing nothing. So don't try to make it perfect. Just go ahead and just do it. Next time we'll work around on how to make it look better or what else to do with it. Every task is important, whether it is sorting, cutting, labeling, stitching. Every task is equally important. We make mistakes. We try not to repeat them. Every bit that we save is important. We have to remember that there will never be zero scrap in this world. And we give it our best. That is what is the best thing about buddies. They all do what they can to their best ability. Be proud of your work. There are so many things which you could be doing in that time which you spend for SafeScrap and so. Be absolutely proud of it, that you're doing something for someone who you may never meet, you may never know, but it is our Mother Earth who we are contributing this saving of the landfill. The cause is always bigger than all of us. Whenever there is any little bit of disorientation or little bit of discomfort in a group or amongst people or your own feeling with what you have done, I always say this, the cause is bigger than all of us. SSS Bangalore, new buddies, thank you for your time and attention. I'm going to share the screen here. This is the hashtag we use. So if you've done any work, you can use this hashtag. And this is our website, our Facebook, Insta, and Twitter handle. Be proud of your work. Be proud to be a buddy. I'm just going to share here on the screen our website. It's here for people to see. This is our website. There are this page, SSS Reach, gives all the information about where we have distributed, who distributed it, who received it, what date it was. All that information is available. Every page actually gives you an opportunity to become a buddy. You can click on any of the pages and see a tab that says Become a Buddy. You can click there and it sends a mail to us. We also have our YouTube channel, which I'm just sharing here. This has information. Our YouTube channel has information on how to go about making bags, making pillows, making sheets. Easy methods are shared here. We have this information available for anybody who wants to be a part of this. I'm just going to quickly run through the comments. We have Sandhya saying, thank you, ma'am. We have my friend and supporter Sujata saying 3 cheers to SSS. We have Srini, and this is for the Bangalore buddies. Please, Usha, if you can pay attention to this and say, send a message. to Srini, and I will connect you. And because I think they can look at working as a school for extra activity, teaching the children how to stitch. We have Gauri here saying, I think you're doing fabulous work. Thank you so much, Gauri, for taking the time and for making a comment. Bhavna once more saying, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bhavna, for being a buddy. Sandhya, thank you so much for being a buddy. Hema, thank you so much for being a buddy. The needy people feel there are people to care for them. Yes, absolutely. Geeta Vasudevan, thank you for being a buddy. May the tribe grow. This is my cousin. As usual, we need family and friends to support us. Thank you so much, Vidya Tanga. Proud of you, Karan. Thank you so much for being here. Perfect. Keep it simple. Yes. Thank you, Srini. 3 cheers to SSS. And I think we are just about at the end of this conversation for today. Usha? Yeah, Usha. Yeah. Thank you so much one more time, Usha, for being here. It's my proud privilege to have you as a buddy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And we're saying bye to our live audience and to the audience who's going to see this later on. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting Save Scrap and
Thank you so much. Bye.
Do share, like. Thank you. Bye, Usha. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's Kameshwari here saying thank you. And thank you for being a buddy, Kameshwari. Next time, I hope you'll join us on live. We missed Julie today, who was there earlier on, but I think she had some challenge. Okay, so this is my dad here. Where is my blessings? Without your blessings, where would I be, Pa? So thank you so much. Let me just quickly see if I missed any other message. Yeah, okay. So Appa is also saying blessings to Bangalore buddies. Thank you, Pa. Thank you very much. Now, this is one of our admins saying amazing, appreciate all Bangalore buddies. I don't know who it is, because it's an admin. All right. Thank you so much to everyone. Time to say bye. Sorry, I need to remove this from screen. Thank you so much. Save Scrap and Sew. Before I leave, my last mantra as usual. Efficiency is more important than perfection. Don't try to make it perfect. Just do your work to the best of your ability and everything will look perfect. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. This is Shambhavi Rajagopal signing off. Bye-bye.